I'm going to ask you to tell me everything that you ate and drank during the last 24 hours. I will ask questions to get the most accurate food intake possible. Please be sure to tell me everything that you ate or drank, even the small things like butter, salad dressing, cream, and candies, so I can give you the best possible healthy eating information possible. Okay, for the first step, we're going to make a quick list of the things that you had in the past 24 hours.
Okay.
So, what was the first thing you had in the morning yesterday?
I had oatmeal
Okay.
with egg whites and spinach and a grapefruit. And then after that, I had a snack with nuts, cottage cheese, and blueberries. After that, I had lunch. I had a half a pita with turkey, lettuce, a half a sweet potato, and some coconut water.
Did you have anything else after that?
I went to work and had a snack. I had carrots and
Okay.
edamame. Then I went home, had dinner. I
Okay.
had grilled chicken with broccoli and asparagus.
Okay. Did you have anything else that night?
I had chocolate pudding and half of a Quest bar. That was all that night.
Okay. And then this morning when you woke up?
I had a piece of flax toast with a fourth of an avocado and an egg and an orange.
And an orange. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go back over and see if there's anything that you forgot, like butter, dressing, any snacks that you had, any other drinks.
Okay.
Okay, so in the morning with your oatmeal, did you have anything along with it?
I did add chia and flaxseed
Okay,
and almond milk with my oatmeal.
okay. And almond milk. Okay, and then your snacks with your nuts, cottage cheese, blueberries, that was all along with your morning snack. And then for your carrots and edamame, did you have anything to go with that?
I did guacamole. I put guacamole on it.
Okay. And then what kind of spread did you use for your lunch?
Oh, on my pita, I
On your pita
used
bread.
mustard.
Okay. And anything else along with that?
Um, oh, and I had ketchup for my potato.
Okay, with your sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
And is there anything else with your dinner? Did you have anything to drink?
No, I just had water.
Okay, just water. Okay. So now we're going to go through and figure out what time you had your foods.
Okay.
So you said in the morning you had the oatmeal with egg whites and spinach and grapefruit.
That was breakfast.
That was breakfast. Yeah. Okay. And then after that you had the nuts, cottage cheese, and blueberries.
Yes.
Was that a morning
was my snack.
Okay. And then the pita bread, the pita sandwich with the turkey, lettuce, sweet potatoes. Was that your lunch? What time of day was that?
That was lunchtime with
Okay.
my coconut water.
Okay, coconut water. And then you said for an afternoon snack you had the carrots and edamame.
Mm-hmm. That was at work.
Okay.
For snack.
Okay, so you said you had it at work. Is there anything else you had with it? What were you doing at work?
Actually, yes.
Okay.
I had 2 Hershey Kisses.
Okay, 2
for
Hershey Kisses.
Valentine's Day party.
Okay. And then when you got home for work, you said you had the grilled chicken with broccoli and asparagus.
That was dinner.
Okay, that would be dinner. And then after that, you had the pudding.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That was just a snack
Snack.
for dessert.
And then the next morning, or sorry, the Quest bar.
That was with my
That,
snack.
that was with your snack, okay. And then the next morning, you had the flax toast and avocado and eggs and orange. Would
That
be
was
your,
breakfast.
That would be your
Yeah.
breakfast. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you details about the food that you ate.
Okay.
So we have some measuring sizes here. You can just kind of guesstimate, get as close as you can to how much you ate. Okay, so in the morning, you said that you had the oatmeal.
Mhm.
So about what size was the oatmeal? It was about
I would say a third of a cup.
a third of a cup of oatmeal. Okay. And then with the egg whites,
How
much? Oh, the chia. You said you had chia on your oatmeal.
And
flaxseed.
I had a half a teaspoon of chia seeds
Half a teaspoon.
and 1 teaspoon of flax.
1 teaspoon of flax.
Um,
And then the almond milk.
it was probably.
We have these 2 cups. So what would you say? How much? If it was half of that, was it full all the way to
I
the top?
would say a half cup.
A half a cup of okay. A half a cup of almond milk, and then for the egg whites, how much?
A third of a cup.
A third of a cup of egg whites, and then for the spinach.
It was just a handful.
So we have this bowl. Would you say
It was half full.
half full?
Yeah.
So probably about maybe a cup is a
Yeah.
larger. About a cup?
About a cup.
Okay. Okay. Okay, for your grapefruit, about what size was it? It was like a fist?
Yeah.
A
It
two
was
fist?
probably 2 fists.
2 fists? Okay. 2 fists. And then for your snack, you said you had nuts. About how many cups?
I would say maybe a
fourth a cup?
Yeah.
Okay, fourth a cup of nuts.
With a third a cup of cottage cheese.
Okay, and then the blueberries?
A fourth a cup.
A
Too.
fourth a cup.
Yeah.
Okay, and then for lunch, you said you had the pita bread. About what size was that? Would you say it's about the rim of this bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, so about like 4 inches.
Yeah.
And then the turkey, was it sliced? Was it?
It was sliced.
Okay, sliced. And so how many slices would you say you had?
3.
3 slices.
Yeah.
Okay, and for the lettuce,
It was about a half a cup.
a half a cup.
Yes.
And the sweet potato, was it? How big was the sweet potato?
It
was
was
it
probably
Your fist?
one of my fists.
One of your fists.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the coconut water, would you say?
This one.
Okay, that one cup. And then for your snack, the carrots. About how many carrots, or how many you think you would fill a cup of carrots you had?
Probably a half a cup.
A half a cup.
Yeah.
And then the edamame as well.
A third of a cup.
A third of a cup of edamame.
This one.
And you said you had 2 Hershey's Kisses.
Yes.
And then for dinner, you had the grilled chicken. About what size? Oh, sorry. With your snack, you had guacamole.
Oh, that was probably 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
1 tablespoon. And then for dinner, you had the grilled chicken. About what size? Your fist? Was it your palm?
Yeah.
The size of your
My
palm?
palm.
And then for the broccoli, how many cups would you say?
I would say half a cup of broccoli and a half
Okay.
a cup of asparagus.
And then for the pudding,
That
would you
was,
say it filled it?
Yeah, a third cup. It was about that full.
Okay, third cup of pudding. And then for the Quest bar,
I had a half, so it was probably like 3 inches.
3 inches. And then in the morning, you had flaxseed toast.
Mhm.
So what size bread was that?
It was probably the size of a CD or.
Okay, a size of a CD.
Mhm.
And the avocado, you said a fourth of an avocado.
Yes.
And what size was the avocado?
So,
Like half of your fist?
yeah.
Okay. And then for the eggs,
It was just one egg.
1 egg. And then for the orange.
It was probably the size of a cup.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 cup.
Okay. Okay, now we're going to check for the added fats. With your dinner for the grilled chicken, how did you bake that, or how did you prepare that? Sorry.
I grilled it on the stove with olive oil, garlic powder, and onion powder, and then I baked the asparagus and broccoli with nothing on it.
Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna have you look over to see if there's anything forgotten or everything looks correct. So if you can just take your time and look over it.
I think it all looks correct.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.